let's do this. Very nice box, like a sort of fiber carbon. And then there's the book that Carlos Sainz was talking before, which is a real book, as they said, with all the stats from both the McLaren and the OnePlus. And then there's the phone inside, which is very nice to have in your hand. Inside we have the cover, a piece of carbon fiber, and the charger with the cable, very nice in orange. Okay, so all the book is an augmented reality. When you put the phone in front of the book, it shows up a video. So it wasn't only a simple book, as they said. So let's turn it on, the McLaren logo, the animation. Okay, let's get into the phone, which seems very fast immediately. As a first impression, it's really good, really smooth and fast. The body with the carbon fiber is really nice, and also the papaya line typical of McLaren is really a plus to this device. And also I really enjoyed the book with the augmented reality. That's it. So I really liked it.